Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Rivals against my brother Caesar again, only using assault rifle, and the map will be Graveyard. Let's get into it. Okay, so Graveyard. I heard that something spooky happens, so yeah, let's do it. At match point. No, this is actually spooky. No! That, wait, how? Wait, huh? Wait, let me try and go there, but how did he go there in the first place? Wait, can I? No, no. Oh, it's 1-1. What the hell is he? Okay, I think he's above me. Where can I go in a place that you won't see me? No. Yes! Come on. Come on. Where is he? Sorry about the background. Come on. Oh my gosh, bro. When I win this, I'm gonna be... Like, if I win this round... Why is it dark? Bro, Nunzi needs to make some changes. You're not smart. I'm scared. Oh, just that. I mean night vision. I mean, it's better than nothing. I can see better. Oh, it's not that scary. So it's not spooky. Bye guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. See you later.